Hello everyone, myself Ravi Shankar Pandey. Today I will demonstrate the working of alarm clock using Vanilla JS and will explain its functionality. Now let's move on to discuss front-end view of project. In this project, on the very top of window, I have added project title with some CSS effects like linear gradient for background styling. I have created main container due by the class name section main, which is containing background view, and another container by the class name section clock. This container section clock is containing present time and alarm form to schedule alarm. In the container section clock, I have also included adjust alarm section to display upcoming alarm and delete button to delete alarm. This is all about front end view of project. Now I will tell you how I approach the problem. To approach this problem, I have used array to store upcoming alarm. On clicking schedule alarm button, alarm gets added in the array. And on clicking delete button, alarm gets deleted from the array. Now I will explain you about the functionality of project. For that, let's move on to JS file. Here I have created constraints to store first HTML element with specified CSS selector. Here I have also created ringtone variable to store the address of ringtone to play when alarm rings. Functionality part of this project starts with the list part of hours, minutes and seconds getting loaded as soon as DOM content is loaded without waiting for images and style sheets to finish loading. Along with list part, current time is also getting loaded after a span of 1 second. This part is done with the help of DOM content loaded event, which is attached to the global variable window, which represents browser window. In the list menu function, I have inserted 0 before single digit value to display hours, seconds and minutes into 2-digit value. In the function fetch present time, I have created date object time to store current date and time. Further on, I used two local time string method to store time portion of date object as a string, which gets displayed on window browser as soon as DOM content is loaded. When any user click over schedule alarm button, scan time function gets invoked through adjust alarm button constant, which is storing first HTML element with CSS selector confirm button, which is ID part of schedule alarm. Here, scan time function loads the time in format HHMMSS after passing it into integral value using time converter function. Here in scan time function, prevent default is used with event object E to stop cancelable event for time to getting loaded. At the end of scan time function, I have used add alarm function to add alarm to DOM. Here, add alarm function also checks if the present time is matched to the alarm time or not. If matched, then alarm rings. Inside add alarm function, we have another function add alarm to DOM, which is displaying delete button right side of the alarm along with displaying alarm in upcoming class section. At the end of add alarm function, we have another function record alarm to add alarm inside array, and this array is further stored into local storage object for future sessions. Now let's move on to understand delete button function. When any user clicks over delete button, then saved alarm popped out from array and it gets clear from DOM window.